Magandang tanghali po. Kain po tayo ng tanghalian. So magta-try po ako today ng kare-kare. So not your ordinary kare-kare kasi crispy kare-kare po ito. Crispy na liam po. Tapos lalagyan po natin ng vegetables and yung kare-kare sauce. So yung kare-kare sauce po nito, hindi po siya yung peanut butter ang ginamit. So yung baked peanuts po na chinopper, ginrind po siya hanggang sa maging pino po siya. So yun po yung hinalo dyan. Hindi po ako magbabagoong kasi yung bagoong po rito matamis eh. Okay na po ako dyan ng walang bagoong. So ito po yung baseline. Kung mapapansin nyo po, no, naka CGM na po tayo. So hindi na po kailangan mag-prick ng daliri. So maraming salamat po kay Sinocare Philippines. Bago pa siya, 121 yung baseline po natin. Tapos I'll check after eating, an hour after eating. So yung vegetables po na hinalo ko dito, pechay, talong, string beans or sitaw. Tsaka meron pong konting puso ng saging. We'll see how will this impact my blood sugar. Naka 2 hours na po, no, since I ate the crispy kare-kare. So kukuha na po tayo ng blood sugar reading. Unfortunately yung CGM medyo nagpa-fluctuate yung reading niya eh. When I research, meron siyang warm up na 2 hours. Tapos most of the users ng CGM, they would still wait for 24 hours so before they could say na accurate na yung reading that they're getting from the blood sugar. So kakakabit pa lang po ng CGM ngayon. Kaya yun. So dapat palang ginawa ko is pricking na lang when I ate na crispy kare-kare. Anyway, sige, kuha na po ako nung blood sugar after 2 hours and we'll see. Yan. So as expected, no, 110 po yung blood sugar reading natin after 2 hours. So kung meron pong blood sugar spike yan na significant nung first hour, I'm pretty sure minimal lang po yan. Hindi po ganun kataas kasi hindi po niya kayang ibabaya ng 110 kung sobrang taas po nung blood sugar spike nung first hour. So if we're going to take a look at yung ingredients, no, I don't think na meron pong high carbs dun po sa laman ng crispy kare-kare that I ate. So yun lang po for this review. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye bye.